Hi everyone, welcome to AutoGPT tutorials. Today, I'm going to be talking about the latest top trending and useful GitHub repositories related to large language models, LLMs, and GPT-4. And I explain everything related to these repositories. But that's not all, we have plenty of other exciting updates and tutorials to share with you in the future. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video and explore the amazing new GitHub projects. Number 1, Stable Studio by Stability AI. Stability AI/Stable Studio is an open source project that allows users to create and edit generated images. It is a web-based application that uses the Stable Diffusion model, which is a generative AI model that can create high-quality images from text descriptions. Stable Studio is still under development, but it has already been used to create some impressive images. For example, one user used Stable Studio to create an image of a realistic-looking cat. Another user used Stable Studio to create an image of a beautiful landscape. Stable Studio is a powerful tool that can be used to create a variety of different images. It is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable resource for artists, designers, and anyone else who wants to create high-quality images. Here are some of the features of Stable Studio. Text-to-image generation. Stable Studio can create images from text descriptions. This makes it a powerful tool for artists, designers, and anyone else who wants to create images without having to draw them by hand. High-quality images. Stable Studio uses the Stable Diffusion model, which is a generative AI model that can create high-quality images from text descriptions. This makes Stable Studio a valuable resource for anyone who wants to create high-quality images. Easy to use. Stable Studio is a web-based application that is easy to use. This makes it a valuable resource for anyone who wants to create images without having to learn how to use a complex software program. If you are interested in creating high-quality images, then Stable Studio is a valuable resource. It is easy to use and can create high-quality images from text descriptions. I encourage you to check it out. More info related to Stable Studio, check out my last video. And Stable Studio GitHub repository link available in the description. Let's move to next project. Number 2, ChatAll by Center. ChatAll is a chatbot that can be used to chat with multiple different chatbots at the same time. It is built on top of the OpenAI API and supports a variety of different chatbots, including ChatGPT, Bing Chat, Bard, Alpaca, Vincuna, Claude, ChatGLM, Moss, iFlytex Spark, and Ernie. ChatAll is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service. ChatAll can be used to provide customer service by answering questions, resolving issues, and providing support. Education. ChatAll can be used to provide educational content by answering questions, providing explanations, and giving demonstrations. Entertainment. ChatAll can be used to provide entertainment by telling stories, playing games, and chatting with users. ChatAll is still under development, but it is a promising tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with chatbots. Here are some of the features of ChatAll. Concurrent chat. ChatAll can be used to chat with multiple different chatbots at the same time. This allows you to get the best answers from a variety of different sources. Multiple chatbots. ChatAll supports a variety of different chatbots, including ChatGPT, Bing Chat, Bard, Alpaca, Vincuna, Claude, ChatGLM, Moss, iFlytex Spark, and Ernie. This allows you to choose the chatbot that is best suited for your needs. Easy to use. ChatAll is easy to use. You can simply type in your question and ChatAll will provide you with an answer. Free. ChatAll is free to use. You can download it from GitHub and start using it right away. If you are looking for a powerful and easy-to-use chatbot, then ChatAll is a great option. It is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with chatbots. More info related to ChatAll, check out my last video. And ChatAll repository link available in the description. Let's move to next project. Number 3. Private GPT by Martinez. The latest GitHub repository of Private GPT by Martinez is a project that allows users to interact with their documents privately, without an internet connection. The project is built on top of the langchain, GPT-4 all, Llama CPP, Chroma, and Sentence Transformers libraries. To use Private GPT, users first need to ingest their documents into the system. This can be done by uploading the documents to a cloud storage service or by providing a local path to the documents. Once the documents have been ingested, users can then ask questions to the system. The system will then use the GPT-4 all model to generate answers to the questions. The answers generated by Private GPT are 100% private. No data leaves the user's execution environment at any point. This means that users can be confident that their documents and questions will not be shared with anyone else. Private GPT is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for users who want to interact with their documents privately. The project is open source, so anyone can contribute to its development. Here are some of the key features of Private GPT. -100% private, no data leaves the user's execution environment at any point. Built on top of popular libraries, langchain, GPT-4 all, Llama CPP, Chroma, and Sentence Transformers. Easy to use, simply ingest your documents and ask questions. Open source, anyone can contribute to its development. If you are interested in using Private GPT, you can find more information on the project's GitHub page. More info related to Private GPT, check out my latest video. And Private GPT repository link available in the description. Let's move to next project. Number 4. Flowise by Flowise AI. The GitHub repository of Flowise is a project that aims to make it easy to build LLM, large language model, applications. It provides a drag-and-drop UI for building your own customized LLM flow using langchain.js, a framework for building LLM applications. Flowise is open source and free to use for both commercial and personal projects. It is also easy to get started with, just follow the instructions on the GitHub page. Here are some of the features of Flowise. Drag-and-drop UI for building LLM flows. Support for a variety of LLM models. Ability to customize your flows with custom components. Support for Docker. Flowise is a powerful tool that can be used to build a variety of LLM applications. It is easy to use and open source, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Here are some examples of what you can build with Flowise. Chatbots. Question answering systems. Language translation tools. Creative writing tools. And more. If you are interested in building LLM applications, Flowise is a great place to start. Check out the GitHub page today and see what you can create. Here are some additional details about the Flowise project. The project was created by Flowise AI, a company that develops AI tools. The project is open source and licensed under the MIT license. The project is written in TypeScript and uses the Node.js platform. The project is currently under active development. If you are interested in contributing to the Flowise project, please visit the GitHub page and follow the instructions on how to get started. Important: if you are interested how to install and use Flowise, comment now, so I create a video for you. Let's move to next project. Number 5. Langflow by Logspace AI. The GitHub repository of Langflow, a user interface for LangChain, is a project that provides a user interface for LangChain, a natural language processing framework. Langflow is a graphical user interface (GUI) that allows users to experiment and prototype flows with drag-and-drop components and a chat box. This makes it easy to create and test new flows without having to write any code. The Langflow GUI is divided into two main areas: the flow editor and the chat box. The flow editor is where users create and edit their flows. The chat box is where users can interact with the LangChain model. To create a new flow, users simply drag and drop components from the component library onto the flow editor canvas. Once a component has been added to the canvas, users can configure its properties by clicking on the component and entering the desired values in the Properties panel. Once a flow has been created, users can test it by clicking on the Run button. The chat box will then display the results of the flow execution. LangFlow is a powerful tool that can be used to create and test natural language processing flows. It is easy to use and provides a number of features that make it ideal for rapid prototyping and experimentation. Here are some of the features of LangFlow. Drag and drop component library. Chat box for interacting with the langchain model. Easy to use and learn. Ideal for rapid prototyping and experimentation. If you are interested in natural language processing, I encourage you to check out LangFlow. It is a great tool for anyone who wants to create and test natural language processing flows. Here are some additional details about the GitHub repository. The repository was created on February 25, 2023. The repository has 12 stars and 1 fork. The repository is maintained by Logspace AI. The repository is open source and licensed under the MIT license. If you have any questions or feedback about the repository, please feel free to open an issue or contact the maintainers. And if you need more info, comment now. Let's move to next project. Number 6, ImageBind by Facebook Research. The GitHub repository of ImageBind is a project by Meta AI that develops a multimodal joint embedding model for image/video, text, audio, depth, IMU, and thermal images. The model is trained on image pair data, where each pair consists of an image and one of the other modalities. The image and text encoders are initialized and frozen using an OpenClip VTH encoder, while the audio, depth, IMU, and thermal encoders are trained from scratch. The model is evaluated on a variety of different classification benchmarks for each modality, and its performance is measured using standard classification metrics such as accuracy. The repository contains the code for the model, as well as pre-trained models and example notebooks that show how to use the model. The repository is intended for research purposes only, and it is not intended to be used in any real-world application. The model may produce harmful associations with different inputs, and it needs to be investigated and likely retrained on specific data for any such application. The repository is a valuable resource for researchers working on multimodal learning. It provides a well-implemented and state-of-the-art model for multimodal embedding, and it can be used to explore a variety of different cross-modal research tasks. Here are some of the key features of the Facebook Research/ImageBind repository. It provides a joint embedding space for different modalities, such as images, text, audio, depth, IMU, and thermal images. It is trained on a large dataset of image paired data. It can be used for a variety of different cross-modal research tasks, such as cross-modal retrieval and combining embeddings from different modalities. It is open source and available on GitHub. If you are interested in multimodal learning, I encourage you to check out the ImageBind repository. It is a valuable resource for researchers working in this area. And if you need more info, comment now. Let's move to next project. Number 7, FreeAutoGPT by Intelligenza Artificial. The FreeAutoGPT repository on GitHub is a project that offers a free and open-source implementation of AutoGPT, an autonomous AI agent capable of performing tasks independently. The repository was created by Intelligenza Artificial, a team of developers and researchers who are passionate about making AI technology more accessible to everyone. FreeAutoGPT is based on the ChatGPT language model, which was developed by OpenAI. However, FreeAutoGPT does not require any paid APIs or specific hardware, making it possible to run on any computer. This makes FreeAutoGPT a great option for anyone who wants to experiment with AI technology without having to invest in expensive hardware or subscriptions. The FreeAutoGPT repository includes a variety of tools and resources that can be used to train and interact with the AutoGPT agent. These tools include a command line interface, a web interface, and a Python API. The command line interface can be used to train the agent on a variety of datasets, while the web interface can be used to interact with the agent in real time. The Python API can be used to integrate the agent into other applications. Free AutoGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to automate a variety of tasks. For example, the agent can be used to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. The agent can also be used to control robots and other devices. If you are interested in learning more about Free AutoGPT, you can visit the project's website or GitHub repository. The website includes a detailed documentation that explains how to use the project's tools and resources. The GitHub repository includes the source code for the project, which can be used to learn more about how AutoGPT works. Here are some of the key features of Free AutoGPT. It is a free and open source implementation of AutoGPT. It does not require any paid APIs or specific hardware. It is easy to use and can be run on any computer. It includes a variety of tools and resources that can be used to train and interact with the AutoGPT agent. It is a powerful tool that can be used to automate a variety of tasks. If you are interested in learning more about AI technology or want to experiment with AutoGPT, I encourage you to check out the Free AutoGPT repository. And if you need more info, comment now. Let's move to next project. Number 8, Diffie by LangGenius. The GitHub repository LangGenius/Diffie is a project that aims to create an easy-to-use LLMOps platform for developing sustainable, AI-native applications. LLMOps stands for Large Language Model Operations and refers to the process of developing, deploying, and managing large language models, LLMs. Diffie provides a number of features that make it easier to develop LLMOps applications, including a visual orchestration tool that allows you to create and deploy applications without writing any code. A single API that provides access to all of the features of Diffie, including plugins, datasets, and prompt engineering. A built-in analytics tool that helps you to monitor and improve your applications. Diffie is currently compatible with the following LLMs. GPT-3, Text DaVinci 003. GPT 3.5 Turbo, ChatGPT. GPT-4. The GitHub repository for Diffie includes a number of resources, including a README file that provides an overview of the project. A documentation site that provides more detailed information about Diffie. A number of example applications that demonstrate how to use Diffie. Diffie is a free and open source project and is available to use under the Apache 2.0 license. Here are some additional details about the features of Diffie. Visual orchestration tool. The visual orchestration tool allows you to create and deploy applications without writing any code. You can drag and drop different components to create your application, and Diffie will automatically generate the code for you. Single API. Diffie provides a single API that provides access to all of the features of Diffie, including plugins, datasets, and prompt engineering. This makes it easy to integrate Diffie with your existing applications. Built-in analytics tool. Diffie includes a built-in analytics tool that helps you to monitor and improve your applications. The analytics tool provides information about the performance of your applications, such as the number of requests, the average response time, and the error rate. Diffie is a powerful tool that can help you to develop sustainable, AI-native applications. If you are interested in learning more about Diffie, please visit the GitHub repository or the documentation site. And if you need more info, comment now. Let's move to next project. Number 9, LangChain by Hwacha17. LangChain is an open-source framework that makes it easy to build applications with large language models, LLMs. It provides a standard interface for interacting with LLMs, as well as a library of tools and utilities that make it easy to build complex applications. The LangChain repository on GitHub contains the source code for the LangChain framework, as well as a number of examples and tutorials. The repository is divided into the following sections. Chains. Chains are sequences of calls to LLMs that can be used to build complex applications. LangChain provides a standard interface for chains, as well as a library of integrations with other tools. Data augmented generation. Data augmented generation, DAG, involves using an LLM to generate text or code that is augmented with data from an external source. LangChain provides a standard interface for DAG, as well as a library of examples. Agents. Agents are programs that can make decisions and take actions based on the output of an LLM. LangChain provides a standard interface for agents, as well as a library of examples. Memory. Memory refers to the ability to persist state between calls to a chain or agent. LangChain provides a standard interface for memory, as well as a collection of memory implementations. Evaluation. LangChain provides a number of tools for evaluating the performance of chains, agents, and other LangChain applications. The LangChain repository is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to build applications with LLMs. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and libraries that make it easy to get started, and it includes a number of examples and tutorials that can help you learn how to use the framework. Here are some of the benefits of using LangChain. Ease of use. LangChain provides a standard interface for interacting with LLMs, which makes it easy to get started. Flexibility. LangChain is a powerful framework that can be used to build a wide variety of applications. Community support. LangChain is an open-source project with a large and active community. This means that there are plenty of resources available to help you learn how to use the framework. If you are interested in building applications with LLMs, I encourage you to check out the LangChain repository. It is a valuable resource that can help you get started and build powerful applications. If you are interested to learn more about LangChain, comment now. Let's move to next project. Number 10. Jarvis by Microsoft. The Jarvis repository on GitHub is a project by Microsoft that aims to create a collaborative system that consists of an LLM, large language model, as the controller and numerous expert models as collaborative executors. Jarvis can plan tasks, schedule Hugging Face models, generate friendly responses based on your requests, and help you with many things. The repository contains code for the Jarvis system, as well as examples of how to use it. The examples include a CLI mode, where you can interact with Jarvis using the command line, and a Gradio demo, which is a web-based interface that allows you to interact with Jarvis using your browser. The Jarvis system is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for a variety of tasks. For example, Jarvis could be used to generate creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. It could also be used to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. If you are interested in learning more about Jarvis, you can visit the GitHub repository here, https://github.com/microsoft/jarvis. Here are some additional details about the Jarvis system. The LLM that is used as the controller in Jarvis is a GPT-4 model from OpenAI. The expert models that are used as collaborative executors in Jarvis are a variety of models that are trained on different tasks. These tasks include image classification, text generation, and natural language processing. Jarvis can plan tasks by using a task planning algorithm. This algorithm takes into account the capabilities of the expert models and the requirements of the task. Jarvis can schedule Hugging Face models by using a scheduling algorithm. This algorithm takes into account the availability of the models and the resources that are required to run them. Jarvis can generate friendly responses based on your requests by using a natural language generation algorithm. This algorithm takes into account the context of your request and the capabilities of the LLM. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. And if you have any other GitHub projects related to AutoGPT and GPT-4, comment now. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the AutoGPT Tutorials channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI tools and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more informative and exciting content. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.